Reflect on life's everyday moments and special events in a private space with Journal on your iPhone. Here's how to use it. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is using iOS 17.2 or later. Ready? Open the Journal app and tap Continue on the welcome screen to begin the setup process. This is where your journal entries will eventually live. Tap the Compose button at the bottom of your screen. Your iPhone can make journaling suggestions to help inspire your entries. You can tap Customize to turn access on or off for the types of recommendations you'll receive, like recent photos, music, podcasts, significant locations, and more. You can edit these later in Settings. Your suggestions are specific to your iPhone and will get richer over time. They're private and aren't shared to Journal unless you select them. To allow all suggestions, tap Turn on Journaling Suggestions. You might be asked if Journal can send you notifications. To get occasional reminders, tap Allow. You can also change this in Settings later. Above your suggestions, you'll find additional information about how Journal protects your privacy and accesses your recommendations if you'd like to learn more. We'll close this for now. To start a blank entry, you can tap New Entry at the top of your screen. You can also start entries from other compatible apps like News, Podcasts, and Photos using the Share button. Or you can create one based on a recommendation. Let's write about a trip we took with some friends using this photo memory. Tap a photo and swipe through your photos to decide which ones you'd like to include in your entry. These are great! Let's keep them all. Then tap Start Writing when you're ready. Next, scroll down and tap the text field to write and reflect on your day, details special moments, or just express what's on your mind. You can further customize your entry by using the toolbar to add or take photos, record audio, include a location, and more. To help you find your entry again later, you can tap the Bookmark button in the upper left corner. And the More button has options if you want to customize the date or delete your entry. What a fun day! When you're finished, tap Done. Any entries you've made will appear chronologically in a list, and after you've created your first one, you'll get a prompt giving you the option to lock your journal with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to keep your entries private and secure. Tap Set Up Now and choose how long Journal should wait before locking. Then tap Turn On. You might get a notification asking you to confirm if you want to unlock your journal using Face ID or Touch ID. Tap Allow to enable it. On your journal entries page, if you don't want to view them by date, you can tap the Filter button to filter them by photos, places, bookmarks, and more. To return to your journaling suggestions, tap the Compose button at the bottom of your screen. As you continue to use Journal, your suggestions will change based on how you use your iPhone. You can even tap the Recents tab to view your suggestions by date. And if you scroll down, you'll find more ways to jumpstart your writing. You can tap a reflection prompt and craft an entry based on thoughtful suggestions or questions. If you'd like a different prompt, just tap the Refresh button. Now that you know how to get started, you can build your journaling habit with suggestions personalized just for you. Reflect, write, relive. To learn more about your iPhone, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.